Screen time! I won't tell you not to give any screens to your children. What I will do instead is tell you about the impact of the screens on your children, and then you decide what you want to do. First of all, let's talk about the sight. The short sight is definitely there because children are looking mostly at phones and on tablets, but the long sight is not there. It's impaired. Also, they cannot see the 3D. It's very different than being able to experience and then being able to see these things. 2, the speech is delayed because many people think that when you put your children on TV, then they can learn, but this is not how it happens. They learn when we repeat, when we show emotions, when we say things exactly where we have to say them. So it's very related to socialization and to the way we express things to them. Third thing is attention span. You know that when a kid is looking at the screen, they see colors, they see things happening from here and from there. So every now and then there is something to bring their attention again. So automatically when they go to real life, they're so bored, they disconnect very easily because you're just speaking. You're not bringing colors and stuff while you're speaking to them. Imagine what happens at school. Imagine the difficulty that this child will have at school with such a short attention span. Now, what else is touched is sensory motor skills. It's not only the touch, but it's also all the body, how the body should behave to be able to climb, to go under things, to keep the balance. How can we manipulate things? How can we do knots? How can we create things with our hands? All this is not there when everything is happening on a tablet with one finger. Also, how is the brain affected? When our children are looking at TV or at the screen, they are really interested. So their brain is going woo, woo, woo. The rhythm of their brain is so high. For our human brain, this means problem. So the brain is ready to flee, to go away. Whereas actually there's no problem. So the brain is in a situation where we must flee, but the body is totally statue. So there is also this difference. When a child sees the screen for such a long time, they have to have at least double the time later on to run, to jump, to play, to get out all this energy. Otherwise, anxiety. Also, we have to understand that if we want our kids to watch something, we should be with them because do they know fact from fiction? Do we know when they are afraid to pause and have a discussion? Do we know when they need to ask us a question and then we listen, we go, what questions do you have? So that we guide them understand what they just saw on the screen.